Welcome all. This is a 1969 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow that was completely restored by us here at Parkward. This was done on request for a special client who wanted specifically black over burgundy, chrome bumper car with burgundy interior. Very detailed, expensive restoration. Back to bare metal respray, doors off, windows out, everything off. All door jambs repainted. Very, very pretty and special car. This restoration was done less than a couple of years ago. The owner is relocating overseas to a right-hand drive country, and so can't take it with him. So she is for sale. Everything redone. Interior, the leather was actually very good, so lightly reconalized, but all wood redone, bright work polished, everything restored to fully working condition. I do apologize as I'm doing this video. I can see that the car is a little dusty. Let me show you the inside. Look at that leather, look at the wood that we refinish. How beautiful is that? All wood was redone, the doors, the dash, center console, vanity mirrors, the base of the windshield. Look at that leather. Isn't that beautiful? Everything on the car was done 100% original, with the exception of one thing. The owner wanted a complete original car or restored car, but he wanted something signature to identify his business and what he does. And there it is. He's in the textile business, and he wanted the headliner to be a fabric that his company supplies. This is a pure wool tartan fabric. Maybe not what most of us would choose, but very interesting nonetheless. If you like this, it's certainly a talking point, then that's wonderful. But rest assured, if this you just don't like, we can quite easily replace it for you. So there you have it, a 1969 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, now available for sale, fully restored, drives like a dream, just an absolute darling. If you would like to get more information on it, you can get a hold of me, Rod Sala, through my website, park-ward.com. Thanks for watching.